Hey guys, let's talk special right triangles. Consider this 45, 45, 90 triangle. So this is the right angle, and then two angles are 45. What you should know about this is that the sides that are opposite to 45-degree angles should be equivalent. So I've called this S, so this has to be S over here. They have to be the same because the angles opposite them are the same. So if you know this side, I've labeled it S to mean side. So this is a side, this is the same length, and it's a side. These are both sides. Of course, the hypotenuse is across from the 90-degree angle, directly across from the 90-degree angle. And it's going to be whatever the length of the side is times the square root of 2, always. All right. So if you know the leg length, like say I know that the leg length down here is 2, then I know that the hypotenuse is going to be 2 times the square root of 2. And if I know this is 2, then that has to be 2 also. So the sides opposite congruent angles have to be congruent. So this is simple stuff, but it's easy to forget it after a period of time. And I would say every high school student needs to memorize that triangle and be able to solve problems like that. Every high school student, geometry and above. And on into college, it's helpful if you can remember these triangles. Certainly, it's helpful on the ACT test as well. All right, so here's another special right triangle, but it's a 30, 60, 90. And so I've labeled this for short side. So the shortest side of the triangle is going to be opposite the smallest angle. So this is the shortest side because that's the smallest angle, directly across from it, shortest side. This is going to be the long side, and then this, of course, is the longest side called the hypotenuse. So I've labeled this for short side. If you know the short side, the hypotenuse is going to be double that, 2 times that. And the long side over here is going to be whatever the short side is times the square root of 3. So consider the following. So suppose I tell you this is 4. Well, if this is 4 and it's the short side, then the hypotenuse has to be 8 because it's going to be double that. And the long side has to be 4 times the square root of 3 because it's whatever this is times the square root of 3. And that's how that works. Bye.